Welcome back, folks. We're going to go through the process of making a new logo. So Logan here has drawn a prototype for us to take a look at.
Oh, yeah.
Can you say more about what this is?
So it's a star, and I used the markers to do it. There's golden, silver, and there's turquoise. And I didn't put turquoise all around the page since it's waste marker.
Okay, cool. All right, so this is kind of our inspiration. We're going to play around with Sketch. I'm not super familiar with it, but I'm hoping that we can figure out how to make something that looks roughly like this logo using Sketch. So I think what we want to do is insert a shape to start with.
Oh, yeah, and
Oh, look, they even have star.
Oh, that's easy peasy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, no, we just have to change the color.
And then
Okay.
wait, that's gold? Sure.
Whoa.
We could do that.
Golden, yes,
Is that
just what I
gold?
wanted.
Is that just what you wanted? Okay.
Golden.
So then around the edges you wanted silver, right?
Mhm.
Like this, maybe. Okay. And then the width here, so the border, by default the shape already had a border around it. But
Yeah.
the width was too small, so we can't really see it. So it says 1 right now for the width. Maybe if we make that 10.
Cool.
How's that? Does that look like silver around the star?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Let's make it bigger.
Bigger. Okay. Bigger.
There.
Okay. Taller is like, that's kind of fat and short, and this is like tall and skinny. Do you want it like okay, so now
Fat and tall.
tell me if you want to go up, or should I go up or down?
Down.
Okay.
Down.
Okay.
There. That.
Is that like that, or you want me to go in or out now?
I want it to be the normal size.
Normal size. I don't know what that means. Oh, maybe square. Can I make it a square? Perfect square? Oh, here, look. As we move the corner around, do you see any numbers changing on the screen?
Yeah, right here.
Where?
Right.
Okay, good. So that tells us the number of pixels, 429 by 412. If we make it bigger, 514
I
by
want them to be the
417.
same. If we go the same, then all the sides are the
I
same.
think you're right. Do you see those numbers changing anywhere else on the screen when we're moving around the corner?
Right here.
There, you're right. Okay. See how those are changing around? I think if we change it directly here, if we type in 500,
And 500.
500 wide, so that's 500, that's how fat it is, by 500 tall, that looks like a pretty good star, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
now
But
the background is turquoise.
Okay, now, to be clear, is the background like a square? The whole thing is turquoise?
Yes.
Or is it just kind of like going off this way? Is it kind
The
of like
whole thing is
the
turquoise.
entire thing is turquoise?
Good.
Okay, so
Yeah,
let's,
make it normal size.
okay, hold on. Let me see. I think I want to insert a rectangle here. And the rectangle we want to be behind the star. The star is like hiding back there. And so the way these layers are, because the rectangle is higher in this list, it's kind of like it's on top of it.
Under.
So what we have to do
Go
is
under.
drag rectangle down below star. That's how I do it. Okay, so now the star is underneath. And we can line up the rectangle, the star, perfectly like that. Okay,
Let's change
now,
the color.
do we want to change the color of the rectangle to like turquoise, like that?
Yeah, turquoise.
And then if we zoom in, is this what you were going for?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's your logo.
Oh,
What do you think?
good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Should we make a square around it and cut it out, and then it's kind of like a square with a star inside, or no?
Let's cut a square.
Let's cut a square. Okay. So like maybe we should just use this square. Like,
How about we make it bigger?
Like-
Make it bigger.
yeah.
Let's make it bigger.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Let's go to where that's in the middle and make it bigger.
Yeah. So then if I zoom in, it gets bigger, right? So maybe we should do the same thing with a square. Remember how we type in the numbers up here? Maybe because this one we want to be like a little bigger, so it
Yeah,
fills
so
in the
let's
back.
do 700. I think.
700 by 700. Okay, perfect square. There we
And
go.
put the in the middle.
Okay, smack in the middle. Wow,
That's
that's
great.
beautiful. Should we
For-
save it?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
course.
should we export it?
What does export mean?
It means like, so again, right now we're working with layers and strokes and all these different colors and stuff. And so right now it's not really an image file that we could pass around and use on the internet and stuff like that. Right now, it is just a bunch of layers. So what we do is when we export, we say file export. That makes it so that it gives us a picture, an actual picture file that we can use.
So we can use it on my thing, but I'm not done with it yet. It's on pause.
Okay, let's see if it actually exported. Export. That's the one. Export. Okay. Nogal logo.
Do
Yeah,
you
that's the
type
one.
that?
Okay, now we'll go ahead and save it. Okay.
Yep, save.
Perfect. And then if we go over to modes.
There we go.
There we go.
All right. So this was our inspiration.
And we
This
made
is
it.
what we made.
And we
Cool.
did it cool.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us. This was first of a couple attempts to make logos and different things, and showing the boys how we might use different programs like Sketch. This one was Sketch. Cool. All right.
And if you wanna keep going with me, I also have a YouTube channel.
He has a YouTube channel.
And this is my logo for my YouTube channel. And I mean, just for this, for my episode series that I'm making right now, and I'm on pause with my video, and it's
What is your YouTube channel about?
my YouTube channel.
Well, it's basically the same as mine, which will be video games, which we're going to add in, but we don't have yet, and Lego builds.
Lego builds. Very
Yeah,
cool.
those are already done.
Me and Logan too.